pacho ka rito duoko to kata kamano obila bende osebedo kod nakiseo koda nek mopogore opogore nyakwaram Ojwang kaluwore koda nonro chakre higa mar 2013 iwacho ni oganda maromo 20 osetho e cells mago mag obila gin oganda mosetho e cells mag obila to wakili kintiere kaunti ma Kisumo kanyo obila osebedo ka tiyo kod oteku mathoth kata mni king thuolo mosekalo en sew mosebed ka iseo gi godo penjo mang'any nyalo penjore ni do they ever learn bende en wach ma bende gisomo nikech en sani aneno ka koro tho mano mar Ojwang bende osechako nywande nyaka weche mag siasa.
Erokamano Sharon, aparo ni nitie gima dowagunda luongo ni red herring. Any dire mondo ji odhi the wrong side. I don't understand how IPOA is coming in here. I don't even understand why we are focusing on IPOA. IPOA, the chair of IPOA was my classmate. They were at the University of Nairobi together. He's a good friend of mine. How IPOA comes in, I don't understand. You can understand. This is a basic criminal offense. Murder and conspiracy to murder. Monego beni the Disiyai. The Tomako, the deputy IG. Teach what they Safaricom. What check the various calls, Timako, all the officers are involved. Tibro, you did the conspiracy, the conversations, to give a charge. IPOA deal normally with the disciplinary issues. Police order Sokowangi, police Yanyi, police Timinade, Kyo Timinade, Koro, and then like Kaka Wakili, Kaka an advocate, Nitigi Makatimo, Nititera, advocate disciplinary tribunal. The tribunal man wouldn't have had the privilege of being elected to serve for almost 10 years. Koro Gnyal Beronia Nikanego Ngato. Aturo Ngato. Nitutera ka LSK disciplinary tribunal. The deputy IG and Sano Nugonbana, the record statement. Oh, OCS, Gijobano, the Migori, Mano, Mongani, Mobiro, Morwakasel. They are all suspects. And they are criminals. Monogo bene bedo charged. It is as simple as that. There's nothing complicated. Ojwang. There's nothing complicated legally. It is only that you can allow the system mondo get the possible evidence. And then they throw red herring, kia IPOA, kia Asan, kia we are investigating, kia police again, Jo Kenya, and we are all equal before the law in this country. Therefore, Obengada Inspector General, kwa yu de kana turo badi chiege to chiego de statement, wamake or kwatere ka IPOA. So these stories are basically being brought up, they are gerrymandering and sub-rattling around so that Ojwang family and Ojwang does not find justice. To be mangi on the death mar Ojwang, mana kaka Tomar, Floyd, America, oya ugimilu on a portal, justice will be done. Wacha kuru wawe uluor, wawe uruvira out, wadwa ruru manangama no complain, manoro jogo kucha, mobe o mabe gikuma negebe maga mako ngani maen deputy IG wakole no ndiek ka responsibility kata katek to ne nitiyo gi power mari kata kok nitiyo gi power mari to jomoko bedo overzealous on your behalf. Therefore the time to pay the price